How to hide tagged photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first, launch your Instagram application. Then, from your bottom right corner, go to your profile icon. Now, this third icon is the post that people have tagged you. Now, in order to remove or hide tagged photos, first you will need to have tagged photos. Since I do not have any photos tagged to me, I cannot exactly show you how, but I will tell you. Simply tap on the picture and then tap on the three dot of the picture. Then you will see an option of from profile. Simply tap on it and then your problem or the photos will be hidden in your Instagram feed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.